watch this until the end. What are your ways in building real estate wealth? Napag-usapan na natin na we have 6 ways in building real estate wealth if you are a first-time home investors. First is a passive income or capital gains. Second is buy and hold and buy and flip. Third is no down payment or down payment. These are the 6 ways in building real estate wealth for the first time investors or buyers. Comment down below what are your thoughts and strategy. I can help you to acquire real estate investment for the first time or seasoned investors. By the way, I'm Elio Dimamay. I'm a licensed real estate broker and environmental planner. We have thousands of clients that we already invest in our company. See you soon!